Hey guys, a word of warning to small businesses out there. You should not be using hashtags for your business except if it's really for your business name. So if people find it on your business posts, you'll be able to be found when people type that specific hashtag in, or when people click on the hashtag, they'll be able to find out other posts from your business. There are lots and lots of businesses that cripple themselves because there is a huge swamp of hashtags out there. Let's say you run a donut shop and you put donuts out as your hashtag. You're going to be attracting the wrong audience. These are not going to be local people. They're not going to be people who find your shop. Even if people like your page and you've got like hundreds of people liking it from all over the place, these people over time are going to realize, hey, these guys are not near us, and you're going to be losing out on potential customers because only a certain amount of people in the algorithm actually see your posts. So you've got to be very, very careful about using hashtags, and you can absolutely cripple your Facebook page for it. Now, if you've got a marketer who's working for you and they're using hashtags, you might want to think about talking to them about this, or just getting rid of them entirely, because when it comes down to it, your business is important and you do not want to get lost in the algorithm swamp. You certainly don't want to limit your audience of who can potentially see your posts from the local people to just people looking for the hashtags that you've chosen to put the things out there. So be very, very careful when it comes to getting your brand out using hashtags. If you've got like a YouTube channel or something like that, it's not so bad because it's like you've got a global audience, right? But at the set, and they're looking for specific topics, so that's not a bad thing. But when it comes to like running a local business, hashtags are an absolute killer. So be very careful about how you use them. Anyway, you have a lovely day. I hope this has helped. Take care. Bye.